Tradition. Performance. Culture. These are heavy words and concepts. What ties them together in our course is the field of study known as folklore and mythology, or folklore for short. What we will be exploring in Gen Ed 1097 are a couple of remarkable facts about human civilizations. That we all have folklore, similar to and yet different from everyone else's, and that folklore has such a profound impact on everyone's life, whether the everyone is viewed as an individual or as a member of a collective body. As the question prominently displayed on our website puts it, does folklore inspire us or inhibit us in what we think, do, and create? Probably, it does a little bit of both. Folklore provides us with a shared wisdom about how to view the world and each other and how to respond to what life offers us. And yet, as we shall see, that basis provided by folklore often challenges us to think and do things differently in ways that might become the very different folklore of future generations. But what is folklore? Who are the folk? And how do we find and capture that lore, ours or that of others? Can folklore exist in a fixed form, such as writing, or does it depend for its existence on the fluidity of word of mouth, of oral tradition, or even a form of transmission beyond words? These are questions we will have to ask and, let us hope, make some progress in answering. We'll also dive into the subcategories or performance genres of folklore. These include myth, legend, what we now call the fairy tale, the personal experience narrative, and the joke. Storytelling, as represented by these various narrative types, sometimes requires a talent for performing, or sometimes they require no particular talent at all, just the human desire, with which we are all familiar, to tell a story. But folklore is more than story. It can also be music, it can be lyrical, it can be ritual, it can be ways of performing the everyday necessities and activities of life, traditional ways that make them manageable, mysterious, and even more deeply meaningful. In search of those deeper meanings, we'll be exploring magic, superstition, foodways, and traditional art. The course will also give you the chance to become a folklorist, collecting and interpreting the lore of Harvard students past and present. We don't know whether Gen Ed 1097 will change your life, but we can guarantee you it will make you stand up and take notice of the wondrously creative world of folklore around us that too often we humans take for granted.